Hello guys, welcome back to Neff Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Neff dishwasher error code E09. Now, if your Neff dishwasher here showing the E09 error code, it usually means that there's a problem with the heat pump heater or internal heating element here. Now, there is something that you try doing here, so that includes performing a hard reset. Now, usually or sometimes it may be just a temporary issue here that can be cleared out with a reset. So what you need to do is you just need to turn off your dishwasher and unplug it from the power source. Now, if you can't personally unplug it from the power source, I would suggest you to turn off the breaker that your dishwasher is currently connected, and from then on, and just wait for about a few seconds. Now, around 30 seconds, but if you can wait more, let's just say like around 10 minutes or 15 minutes if you can, and just basically once that is up, you could go ahead and plug it back in or turn on the breaker and check if the error has disappeared. So that involves you turning it on. Now, if you do still see the E09 error here and it just returns into your dishwasher, usually it means that the pump heater here or the main heating element might be faulty, or the temperature sensor here might also be faulty, or there might be some kind of issue with your control board. Now, if that's the case, most likely you need to reach out to Neff customer support to get assistance further on this one. So do not do this yourself. Do not replace any in this case sensors or parts in here if you don't know how to exactly do it. So it's best to consult a technician or to reach out to Neff customer support to get assistance. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Neff Inspo. Thank you for watching.